we're just getting started.
Are you ready to witness the vision of BMW?
To the first ever Global Partner Meet 2026.
I may not be there in person, but I am with you in spirit.
As the largest private developer in Ras Al Khaimah, BNW has become an important part of this journey.
Sky is not the limit. So BNW keeps growing. It is a promise to deliver nothing but the best product in the real estate market that has seen. A brand that inspires confidence. Investors are actually loving BMW.
UAE is not about just one city. There is a new player which has come in UAE. That new player is Ras Al Khaimah.
What you're seeing now is just what we have launched, but what's coming now in the future is much more exciting.